Welcome to S2S classes. You are kindly requested to subscribe our channel. अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाएं और सारे नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर लें. थैंक यू.
Now let's take a look at different types of classification of organic compounds, different types of functional groups that are used.
The classification of organic compounds has been diagrammatically shown on the screen. Organic compounds are classified into two main categories, acyclic compounds and cyclic compounds. Acyclic compounds consist of straight or branched chain compounds. For example, methane, isobutane, methanol, etc. These compounds are also called aliphatic compounds. Cyclic compounds are further classified as homocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. Cyclic compounds whose rings are made up of only one kind of atoms, that is, carbon atoms, are called homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds. Sometimes atoms other than carbon are also present in the ring, so they are called heterocyclic. Aliphatic cyclic compounds are called alicyclic compounds. For example, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, tetrahydrofuran, etc. Aromatic compounds are chemical compounds that contain conjugated planar ring system with delocalized pi electron clouds instead of discrete alternating single and double bonds. Typical aromatic compounds are benzene and toluene. Organic compounds containing one or more fused or isolated benzene rings and their functionalized derivatives are called benzenoid aromatic compounds. For example, aniline, naphthalene, etc. A compound exhibiting aromatic character but not containing a benzene nucleus or having one or more rings in a fused ring system that are not benzene rings are called non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. For example, tropolone, azulene, etc. We have already discussed the homocyclic compounds and its classification. Now, let us discuss the heterocyclic compounds. Cyclic compounds containing one or more heteroatoms are called heterocyclic compounds. For example, furan, pyridine, etc. A functional group may be defined as an atom or a group of atoms present in a molecule which largely determines the chemical properties. Halogens, alcohols, aldehydes, carboxylic acids, acid amides and amines are the examples of functional groups. A homologous series is a series of compounds with a similar general formula, usually varying by a single parameter, such as the length of a carbon chain. For example, homologous series of alkanes. The individual members of this group are called homologues, and the phenomenon is called homology.